Today we're going to continue talking about change and the importance of shifting some things that you're doing in your life in order to get better results. Now there's three major areas of when it comes to health as far as change goes. One is nutrition, how you eat. The other is how you think. And finally, how you move or how you exercise. Now in those three areas, there's also toxicities and deficiencies. So these are the things that we look at when we look at what's going on with somebody's health. What are the toxic and deficiencies in movement? What are the toxic and deficiencies in how they're thinking? And what are the toxic and deficiencies in how they're eating or nutritionally? So like for instance, in toxins and nutrition, are you eating foods that aren't really good for you? Some things that are toxic, for instance, things that are non-organic, or things that are deficient, meaning things that are non-organic. So things that aren't giving you what it is that you need in order to get where you need to go as far as your health, the things that your body needs. Are you deficient in omega-3 fatty acids? Are you deficient in vitamin D3? We talked about this earlier in some of these videos. But these are some of the deficiencies that we talk about. And of course, toxicities. Are you eating lead? Are you eating mercury? Are you letting that into your body? Are you around a lot of formaldehyde and new furniture, things like that? So there may be a necessity to do some detoxing in order to get some of that stuff out of your system so that you can be more clean as far as your overall health. And then of course movement. Are you sitting a lot? Are you not moving enough? That's a deficiency, right? Subluxation is also a deficiency of movement, meaning things are stuck, it's not moving enough. And of course toxicity of movement would be a car accident, a trauma, things such as that can really shift you out of your health. And our goal once again is to get you back towards health. And as far as thinking goes, are you having negative self-talk? Are you not taking care of yourself as far as getting yourself ready for the day, helping to lift yourself up and support yourself? Are you deficient in your self-positive talk and your energy? So these are some things that we talk about. Are you surrounding yourself by negative talking people? Those kind of things. So these are some toxicities and deficiencies that we look at in order to shift and ask yourself some questions. Where are some things that I can do right now in order to help move me back towards health? So hopefully that helps. Feel free to ask me on your visit if there's something more in particular that you need me to help you with. So thanks. We'll enjoy your visit.